Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off the password requirement when downloading apps from the App Store. So if you're tired of entering your Apple ID password every single time you download an app, I've got you covered. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the settings app on your phone. And once you are inside the settings, here you need to adjust the couple of things. So simply scroll down and tap on screen time. Now here in the screen time, you need to scroll down to the bottom and tap on content and privacy restriction. And here if it is enabled, you may see some limitation here. So here simply tap on iTunes and App Store purchases, and now here in the new section you will see the option require password, and by default this is set to always require, but we are going to switch it to don't require. You might be prompted to enter your screen time passcode. If you have forgotten it, you can always reset it, and once you have done that, the password requirement will be turned off. And with that, there is one more thing that we need to do. So let's go back to the main settings page, and from here simply scroll down and tap on Face ID and passcode. Now here in this section, simply enter your phone passcode to unlock the settings, and once you are in, look for the section Use Face ID for and toggle on iTunes and App Store, and this will allow you to use your Face ID instead of entering your password every time that you want to download or install an app. And that's it. Now you have successfully disabled the password requirement for downloading apps and enabled Face ID for easier access. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.